Hey, Chef D here for Bothwell Cheese, the spicy dill pickle Monterey Jack nachos. Oh yeah, when your friends and buddies come over for Super Bowl, this is going to be a game changer. We're going to take some nacho chips, spread them out on a baking sheet. The chili we made is good for 2 different recipes. Drizzle a little bit of chili over top of our nachos. Then we're going to take the spicy dill pickle and we're going to place that over top. Now we all love a lot of cheese on our nachos, so I've shredded 1 whole package. I preheated my oven to 395 degrees, and we're gonna pop it in the oven. It's gonna bake for about 7 to 9 minutes. So 7 minutes up, we have some, oh, look at this. Nicely browned, all melted, spicy dill pickle Monterey Jack cheese from our friends at Bothwell. For these recipes and a whole lot more, check out bothwellcheese.com. Oh wow, my buddies aren't getting any of this.